Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding acceptance. Your capacity to allow people to live a truth completely opposite to yours without shutting off your compassion for them is a reflection of how powerful your love is. Remember, acceptance doesn't require your agreement or approval. Acceptance of others, their looks, their behavior, their beliefs bring you an inner peace and tranquility instead of anger and resentment. The greatest gift that you can give to others is the gift of unconditional love and acceptance, as acceptance is simply the practice of love. When you love, you accept. When you lack love, you judge. The spiritual journey is the replacing of fear and prejudice with the acceptance of love and understanding. So let's try loving one another rather than judging one another. Enjoy the day.